Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 99-cent store haul. I've been loving these hauls, you guys, and my definition of haul is not like buying a whole bunch of stuff. Sometimes it could be little, sometimes it could be huge. It depends. But you guys, I went to the 99-cent store because your girl's cheap. I wasn't gonna get a phone case online or at Walmart or at Target, but I was like, why am I gonna do that when I could get it for $1? So you guys, I went and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the phone cases I got. These say iPhone 6 Plus, but the 6 Plus and the 7 Plus are the exact same size, so I just got this one. And I really wanted a clear case, and this is clear and it just has like this cute little design on it, so I'm probably going to use this one. And yeah, I wanted like a clear one so you guys could see like the rose gold and stuff like that. So yeah, and it says on the front that it's bump shock, so it's shock proof, dust and debris and scratches, like it'll protect the phone. So I got that one. Then I couldn't decide between that one and this one because this one does have a little ring. This is just a gray one, and then you guys can see it says for the 6 Plus as well, but it will fit the 7 Plus. And I do have a pop socket that my husband actually gave me on my iPhone 6, but I was like, I don't know if I want to use it, if I want to get a new pop socket, I don't know. But I like that this one came with it, but then again, it covers the whole phone. You could just get like a peekaboo of the rose gold, so I don't know. I couldn't decide. I like them both. Let me know which one you guys like the best. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with this one, but who knows. Then you guys, I got the screen protector. Right here is tempered glass and it fits the 7 Plus. Now this actually says 7 Plus on it. Tempered glass screen protector. So I'm so excited to get this because you guys, I'm accident prone and I want to make sure my phone is protected. So definitely got the screen protector. And then last but not least, I got this universal car mount. And it says fits most smartphones, and right there it does have like the little iPhone right there. So I definitely got a car mount. If you guys didn't know, I do Postmates right now, and I am usually driving, holding my phone, looking at directions, do like all that, and I'm just like, I'm not trying to drop this phone, so definitely had to get a car mount so when I'm out working I can just set this up. And you guys see the little picture and everything in the car, so that's how I'm going to be having it. So I really like this. This one was $1.99, so I'm excited for that. And that's pretty much what I got, you guys. And of course the reason why is because of this, you guys. I'll Postmates bed, so I will be working today, and that's really why I want to hurry up and go out and get, you know, protection for my phone, so when I'm out working I do not drop it or anything like that. And yeah, I'm definitely going to go ahead and put my screen protector on my phone case, and then I want to come back and show you guys how it looks. I'm super excited. So I went ahead and put my screen protector on. As you guys can see, I hate those little air bubbles. Do you guys ever get that when you put screen protectors on? So yeah, my screen protector's on. I went ahead and put my phone case on. Tell me what you guys think about this phone case. And yeah, I really like it, so that's that. You guys, I went ahead and put the pop socket on here. This pop socket my husband actually got from work. They gave it to him for free, 2 of them, so he gave one to me. And when pop sockets first came out, I thought they were dumb, but since I've been using it and being in the bed, holding it up without dropping it on my face, everything like has been wonderful. So I definitely recommend pop socket. But yeah, it's on my phone case. So yeah, I'm good to go for work, and I will see you guys later.
Later, bye.
Hey guys, I just want to come in here real quick and ask you guys to please go vote for me for Demauge Mag Miss April. You guys, I'm really trying to win this trip to Miami. You guys don't know how much this means to me, so please, I'll leave the link to their Instagram. All you have to do is like the picture. That's it. You don't have to follow them, you don't have to do anything else. Just like the pic, and all the votes help. Right now I think I'm currently in first place. I'm so excited. So yeah, go help your girl out, and yeah, thanks.